powering the electric vehicle revolution. It's the common denominator across all types of EV batteries, and we desperately need more of it, especially domestically. Enter the Salton Sea, a toxic, shrinking lake that's one of the country's biggest environmental disasters due to a variety of circumstances, from water contamination to a decades-long drought. It also happens to be extremely rich in both geothermal activity and minerals. About 40 miles north of the California-Mexico border, the Salton Sea is estimated to contain enough lithium to meet all of the United States' projected future demand, and 40% of the entire world's demand. The area has been dubbed Lithium Valley.
Here at the Salton Sea, it's a phenomenal geothermal resource, but it's a little bit different in the sense that it is a large hydrothermal resource. So what that means is the geothermal fluid comes out actually as a hot brine, not a clean steam.
That brine is used to produce clean energy at the 11 geothermal power plants in the area, and it also contains lots of lithium, which could be recovered without the need for open pit mining or evaporation ponds, just the addition of extensions to the existing power plants.
It will be much, much smaller and less impactful than any of the current ways of producing lithium.
Three companies, Berkshire Hathaway Renewables, Energy Source, and Controlled Thermal Resources, are all developing joint geothermal power and lithium recovery facilities that, if all goes according to plan, will provide clean power to the grid and produce battery-grade lithium. GM is already on board, as it's committed to source lithium from Controlled Thermal Resources. This new industry could be a big boon to the region, where the majority Mexican-American community faces high rates of unemployment and poverty, and suffers health impacts from the toxic dust that blows off the Salton Sea's drying lakebed.
We're cautiously excited in regards to the Lithium Valley. We see it as a game changer here for the Imperial County.
Lithium recovery could provide much-needed jobs, and the increased attention and money flowing into the region could hasten efforts to reduce the dust and clean up the sea.
If they're going to work there and they've invested billions of dollars in extraction facilities that are right next to the Salton Sea, they're going to see something that's positive for the region. Right? Nobody wants to work next to an eyesore.